In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run a profitable Facebook ads to get web design clients for less than $4 for each leads as a web design clients. And as you can see, these are my two top performing ads. This has 17 leads for $4 each, and another one has 26 leads, which $13 each. And I'm going to switch off the $13 one probably tomorrow because I'm creating lots of other ad creatives which will perform better than this. And I have some other for like 19 leads for $14, 7 leads for $15, which is pretty good compared to how much you're spending for a lead and how much you're getting out of a client. Since we're selling a website for free, and we're going to get clients for a monthly recurring revenue, which is $97 to $297 to $497 every single month. In that case, we are spending $4 for a client who is going to pay us $100 every single month. If you take a lifetime value, for example, let's say our lifetime value of our client is just 1 year. With that 1 year, you are getting $1,200 for just $4 each. And I'm going to show you the exact strategy and how you can start getting leads for as cheap as possible. At the time I'm recording this video, the lead has gone high for $450, and this morning it was $350. So it kind of fluctuates. But anyway, I'm going to show you the entire strategy on how it's done. For example, we sell free website to our local businesses. And this is how I ended up turning my free website offer into a paid offer. For example, let's say if it's a starter plan, a one-page website, I'm going to give them a one-page website totally for free and sign them up for a $97 hosting fee. And if they want anything else on top of it, it's going to cost them $2,000 to $3,000 on a setup fee and $197, $297 or $497 in a monthly recurring revenue. And as you can see, all of the leads you have seen, the 17 leads, 19 leads or 26 leads, not all leads are gonna turn into clients, but the leads who turn into clients, they will be in a $97 price range if they don't want to move ahead for the 5-page website or 10-page website. But the clients who need the 5-page or 10-page, we will get the prices around $1,500, $3,000 to $9,000. So these are not fixed price. Some clients will bargain the price to lower just a little bit. That's why I went from 2,000 to 1,500 and 2,000 to just 1,000. And now I'm going to quickly show you how we build these free website and why we are selling the free website in the first place. And this is a software called Go High Level. This is where we build everything, and including our monthly services. For example, the repetition management, missed call text back, email automation, SMS automation, lead capturing system, calendar booking, invoicing, everything you think about selling as a monthly service, we can provide with the Go High Level. And now Go High Level has its own AI studio, which can build website with just prompts. And this is how I ended up building all these websites just with prompts. For example, I'm going to quickly show you one of the website, which is a roofing website. This is just a basic prompt and the Google My Business page, and just with the Google My Business page link, you can build the entire website with the client's information. And all the things you're seeing here is functional, and all the information you're seeing in the website is the client's information, which is specified in the Google My Business page. And the call system is active and everything is functional, and all the images you are seeing is built by AI. And this is just a simple prompt, and which took 18 seconds to build these website. And this is just to show the website inside the booking, the book to meeting. And once they're happy with how the first looks, the landing page looks, and we can start building out the entire website just by prompting more text. That's how easy it is to build these websites. And the reason why we sell this for free is that we're not making our main money just with a setup fee. So that's why we are waiving the setup fee for the one-page website and selling them for free in exchange of the hosting fees, which is going to be $97. And let's say if you sold these website, which is barely taking you a minute, and selling them to 10 different clients, that's going to be $1,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And trust me, selling something for free, it always gets more leads compared to selling something for, let's say, 1,000 to 5,000. And inside the meeting, that's your job to convince them to go with you and get the free website to your clients and sign them up for a monthly recurring revenue from $97 to $297 to $497, or you can upsell them for the 5-page website or the 10-page website for a 2,000 setup fee or a 3,000 setup fee. And if you want to access this software and start building your own agency and selling your services, I will link a 30-day free trial down in the description, so you can have a trial and have a look at how everything works. And then you can, once you start getting clients, you can start paying to the Go High level a subscription with your clients' money instead of your own money. So 30-day free trial, link is in the description. And until last month, I've just been doing cold outreach. Yes, cold outreach still works and you can still get clients. As you can see, these are my coaching members who are still doing the cold outreach and still getting results. And yeah, 5,000, 1,000 on the first week, first client for 750, 5,000 in monthly recurring revenue, 1,000, 2,000, 800, 1,000. Like, you can see that this is working for everyone, including you. If you are brand new to this web design game and if you don't want to waste time figuring out what kind of strategy works and what doesn't work, and if you want to get clients just like these in few weeks of starting your agency, just click the first link in the description and I can help you out getting the same results you are seeing on the screen. Or if not, if you are thinking about starting to running ads, keep watching this video until the end. I will show the ins and outs on how to get profitable web design leads for less than $4 each lead, which is gonna turn into a clients who are gonna pay you $100 to $300 to $500 every single month. First up, we're going to go inside the Meta ad library. There are lots of people who are running ads for their own agency. And trust me, lots of people are doing the free website offer itself. And the main way to figure out what kind of ads you are going to run, for example, there are different ways to run ads. You can run static, you can run testimonial, you can run before and after, you can run a video ad. So the main way to figure out what ad actually works and what doesn't work is to go inside Meta ad library and we can snoop around what other agencies are doing. And if you want to find out the best performing ads, all you have to do is go inside facebook.com/ads/library. And here you select all countries and select all ads and just search for free website. Or if you don't want to run a free website offer, just run website. And here you can find lots of people who are selling the free website offer. Let's say just click on one of the agency. Yeah, this is one of the agency who are running the free website offer. They have lots of video ads, lots of image ads as there you see. And the best way to figure out which ad is performing well is to always have the active ads open. And here you can see the date and time. So this ad is started at 6 May and this ad is started yesterday, and most of these ads are launched yesterday. And you can just go back and see all the other agency and what they are doing, and you shouldn't copy the entire thing what they are doing. Just get the inspiration and start creating your own creatives and start testing your own ads inside the meta ads you have just created. So I'm going to show you some examples of ad creatives. For example, let's say static ads. So these are the best way to show what kind of services you're providing to your clients. And again, these are the examples I've took from the ads library. I'm not going to show my actual ads in this video. And if you want to see the entire setup, I will make a separate video on this topic next week. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, this is the best way. You're just putting it out there, showing everything. instead of giving the $5,000 or 5,000 pounds, we're building it for free and you just have to pay the 79. So this is a similar kind of offer another agency is doing. Or you can just go full on graphic mode, say free professional website, and have this reviews, 5-star. Even if you don't have reviews, just put it out there, fake it until you make it. And another way is to get more leads, which I have seen is to actually show your face to get more leads. These graphics may look nice, but people are not going to trust the graphics. People are going to trust another people. And on the video style, it's again showing the video and letting them know why you are doing this for free. You have to give a reason on these videos. And this is the video. In this video, this guy will be explaining we are doing this for free and why we are doing this for free and why you need to work with us. So that's this video's intention. And in this video, everything is targeted on the website itself. So he is saying we're building free websites, and this is have a look at the website we just finished for our clients, and just scroll through the website on the screen and show the results on the screen. So you can go with both different ways. And the reason why I have moved away from cold outreach is that cold outreach is kind of getting saturated. Everyone is doing the same thing that people are watching on YouTube. I am a part of this problem. I genuinely wanted to help you guys to get more leads, but the cold outreach stops working because every single one is doing the same script. Even they don't change a single word. So if a client is seeing the same thing over and over again, people are not going to trust. And that's why you are not seeing these kinds of results inside your own agency. Even if it's, so these guys are not doing ads. And some of these guys are not even doing cold calling. It's just Facebook group outreach. And yeah, I don't want to have my agency stuck in this same spot every single month. And I have some friends in Bali who suggested me to just give it a try running ads. And guess what? I'm seeing pretty good results, and I'm getting, so this is this morning. I saw this morning, each lead I was getting is just $3.58 a lead, which is, I'm going to show you. Yeah, as you can see, 17 leads for $14.54. And I am working on lots of other ad creatives, which will decrease the leads cost per results even lower, because I've been having conversation with people who have been running ads profitably for a long time. And in Bali, there are people, everyone is running Facebook ads instead of doing cold outreach. No one does cold outreach anymore. And the people who you are seeing on YouTube who are showing I'm making 500,000 or 200,000 or 100,000 anywhere on that price point, even 10,000 or 20,000, that price point, they are not having enough time. They will not have enough time to do cold outreach where it fluctuates. Maybe you can get booked meetings today. You cannot have any booked meetings tomorrow because you never know what goes on. But when it comes to running ads for your agency, you're putting this much money and you're letting Meta know that I need these kind of clients for my agency and I'm giving you this much money. And Facebook is giving me each lead for $4. So technically I'm paying Meta for basically $5 for each client who are going to pay me 100, the basic price, let's say 100. And not all of these leads are going to convert into as a client, but compared to doing the cold outreach, where you may have 5 booked meetings, 3 of them will show up and 2 of them shows interest, and you ended up closing 1 client or none. So you end up being in 0. But when it comes to Facebook ads, people are coming to you. So it's an inbound. And the only reason you can get more leads and more leads who can convert into customers is that they know you before you knowing them, and they actually trust you enough to give you their name, email, and phone number, and you just give them a call, book a meeting, and sell these websites. And guess what? It's a free website, and you're running ads for a free website. That's the only reason the cost per lead is so low, less than $5. You cannot see this kind of results in any other servicery part of business. You can only see these results if you're selling something for free. And if nothing in life is for free, you're just selling these websites, and in exchange they're paying for the hosting fees. That's how simple it is to run this business. And once you start getting clients, you can put all the money straight back to the ad spend. And if you increase the ad spend, you can increase the leads which is coming in, and you can get more clients. And this is what most of the YouTubers you are seeing are doing. And as you can see, I'm not showing my exact ad creatives I'm personally using. As you can see, I'm gonna blur this anyway. I have run 11 ads until now, and tomorrow I'm gonna push another 5 ads. And the reason why I have switched off all these ads, because I have leads coming in, 19 leads for $15 for each lead, and 7 leads another $15, which is not a huge blow. Yes, you're paying $15 to get a client who can pay you $100 each month. So the lifetime value of each client outweighs the ad spend of, let's say, $15. But there's always a way you can reduce the lead. And I have been testing this out for past 2 months. And this is the result of me not knowing what I'm doing, and I've wasted a lot of money, and I wasted a lot of leads, which I couldn't know how to convert them as a customer. But now I have done all the A/B testing, and I've spoken with all the people who have been doing this for a long time, and that's the only reason I have closed more clients with the monthly recurring revenue, just the 97, 297 or 497, and able to upsell these clients for 1,500, 3,000 and 1,000. And guess what? Each website takes 5 minutes to build. That's how simple it is. You take some money, put it on the ads, and the ad creatives is the most important thing. No matter how much money you are spending in each and every ad campaign, if your ad creatives are not good, people are not going to click on it, and people are not going to submit their information as becoming a lead or becoming a customer. So as I mentioned before, I cannot show my actual strategy and my actual ad creatives here in YouTube for obvious reason. I don't want to ruin my business. But if you want the similar setup for your ad campaign to get each lead for around $3 to $4 or below $5 for each lead, you can click the first link in the description and book an onboarding call, and I will only help people who are actually willing to go through with this business, because I don't want to waste my time if I feel like you cannot get clients with my help. And it's not just Facebook ads, and if you do want to get ads with organic outreach, I can do that as well, but I can only help 2 people at a time in a month period. So if you want to help, make sure to click the first link in the description and book an onboarding call. And if you want a free trial of a 30-day free trial of Go High Level, you can also get that link and start building the websites and get to know how to deliver the service and how to set up the monthly recurring revenue systems. For example, the lead capturing system, automated text messages, missed call text back, SMS and email automation, SEO, reputation management, everything you can do inside Go High Level, including building these websites as a hook to lure them in for our monthly recurring revenue business model. I hope you got some value out of this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.